Hello, Shubhankar. This is Vidisha, and I'm currently pursuing my PGDM from JAGSoM. So, can you give me a few details of yours?
Uh, yeah, I am in the second year of PGT in finance, and currently I'm doing my IIP.
Okay, great. So, actually, we are being given assignment to interview our senior. So, I have prepared few of my questions for you. Like the first
Okay.
question, yeah, the first question would be like how did you decide that you wanted like fintech as a career track? What parameters did you keep have in your mind?
Uh, uh, I think selecting a career path or selecting a career track is deeply personal and often rooted in individuals' interest and their inclination toward the subject. And if I talk about me, I had completed my undergrad in finance, and so there was a natural inclination toward the subject. And I always had an inclination toward technology, learning new technologies, and selecting a career path is a deeply personal decision, and often rooted in one's individual's interest and the inclination toward the subject. And for me, I completed my undergrad in finance, so there was a natural inclination toward the subject. And when I got introduced to fintech, I thought I always wanted to learn new technology and how technology. When I introduced to finance, I thought like it's how technology can grow the finance and help things doing better. So I thought it was the right fit for me. And talking about parameters, I think one's personal interest and passion toward the subject is very crucial. And next, the skill set that you have uh, and the industry trend which is going on. I think these few things you need to keep in mind selecting a career track.
Okay. Okay, thank you. And this now the second question will be did you know beforehand like which subjects to choose for this fintech? Because since I am new to this, so I don't have any idea regarding like which subject I should choose for like majors. So did you have any idea prior to this?
I think till your third term, everyone will go the same subjects. In your fifth terms, you will be introduced to your career tech subjects, and beforehand, on your term four, there will be some prerequisite subjects that you need to take to pursue your career track. That's it.
Okay. And is it the right decision like to take fintech as a career track for from like if you think from the future perspective?
I would say potentially yes. Fintech is a rapidly growing and dynamic field with immense potential for the future, but success depend on the factors like your skill set, interest, and how you adapt to the new technology and the environment.
Okay. Then why didn't you choose banking or any or capital market? Because these two are also very good, as you see for.
Yeah, definitely. Capital markets and banking is also going hand on hand. But again, I will say it depends on one's interest and inclination toward the area and the field. If one doesn't have the interest or inclination toward the subject, they can't do wonders in the field.
Okay. And can you specify like what are the scopes in fintech?
Area of field where one can work or areas like
See, I'm a fresher, you can see, because I have work ex in HR field. Okay, so I want to switch to finance. So, keeping this in mind, like, what are the scopes that I have in fintech?
uh, you were working as a HR.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so the fields that are in fintech are now like you can be a product manager.
Okay.
If you understand the product manager need to understand the product well, map the product ideations, those are things. You can be a blockchain developer, data science analyst. There are also a UI UX designer in this field. Like everything nowadays is going digital, and apps, everything is building on apps and all. The banking industry, everything they use now apps to do your daily transaction and all. So there is a huge requirement of UI designers.
Oh,
So one can be a UIX designer, and also you can be a insert text specialist. The landing text which you are using now, like simple slides, this all comes on your landing text. You can be a landing text expert. Yeah.
okay. So, can you say like how did you get into your like IIP? How was the
Definitely, I
experience?
will thank to my area chair. He introduced us to like very good faculties from the corporate. We had a faculty from corporate who used to teach us our financial automation subject. He was Professor Arindam Ghosh, who
Okay.
is currently CTO of SUD Life. So that connection helped me getting my IIP.
Okay. So, like, how's the job market currently?
I would say the job market is expanding and hugely evolving with time. And as a fintech, if you work in fintech startups, it's like highly volatile. Sometimes it might be volatile because that with time the technology is evolving, and also you need to adapt to it.
Okay. Like one question, like, don't you think like only finance would have helped you, like majors in finance would have also helped you? Then why like career track is like, it's important. Like, what role does it play?
I think career tracks give you a direction to work on, to start on.
Okay.
I think, yeah, finance is a very vast field. Career track gives you a direction, I would say.
Okay. So here you have like heard that there is a like turmoil in like fintech industry due to this Paytm downfall. So what are your viewpoints on that?
I would say Paytm's current situation reflects upon their fundamental challenge in the business model itself and the competitive landscape.
Okay.
But the company has a strong brand presence, a large user base, and a diversified offerings that they offer to their customer base. But it can still turn things around with their strategic adjustment and execution.
So one just wanna just the last question I want to ask that how do you like how can you express your feeling that JAGSoM has helped you in your like career?
How JAGSoM has helped me, like I would say JAGSoM has helped me in enhancing my personality. I was a very introvert person at the beginning, so like that helped me a lot.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you, Shubhankar, for your time. It's great interviewing
yeah.
you.